Hey everyone, I hope you're ready for another instalment of those tricky common exception words. Let's have a look at the words that we'll be learning today. So today we're going to be looking at this selection of the common exception words. Now remember, these are words that you're just going to have to practice. So when we read them, make sure that you're familiar with them before you move on in the video, okay? So make sure you can kind of read them here before we move over to the timed challenges. So here we have got sugar, I, could, should, would, who, whole, any. Okay, are you ready to move on? Let's see how quickly you can read the words. Can you beat me? Can you say the word before I've moved on to the next one? We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Well done. That was really super fast. So if you got them all right, huge round of applause. Are you ready to stand up and start shouting at the TV screen, letting me know the words, the letters that are in these words? Remember, we will say a word, or I will say a word, and for example, if it's could, you will go C-O-U-L-D as quickly and as loudly as you can. Are you ready? Your first word is sugar. I. Could. Should. Would. Who. Whole. Any. Whole. Who. Would. Should. Could. I. Sugar. I. Could. Should. Would. Who. Whole. Any. Well done. How did you get on? Don't worry if you're still finding some of them a little bit tricky. Now you've got a chance to practice writing them in sentences. And just like always, if you want to try and rise to the challenge of trying to fit every single word into a sentence, give it a go. It doesn't matter how silly it is. The important thing is that you get used to writing these words in sentences, so it becomes automatic for you to use them. Pause the video now and write some sentences. Ready for your little test? Let's see how much has sunk into that brain. Okay, your first word is any. Sugar, whole, I, who, could, would, should. Well done. Remember, if you want to mark those spellings, you can look back on the video and see if you got the words right. This is a really good way of doing it because you'll be able to see what mistakes you've made, and hopefully you remember it for next time, because as we know, mistakes help us learn. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again next Tuesday for another phonics lesson. Bye.